mag-open si Kaiden ng mga presents niya. Wow! Are you excited? Naglinis kami ng kapatid ko. Kapatid ko naglilinis dyan. Mag-open ikaw ng present mo?
Good morning!
Mag-open ikaw ng regalo, baby ko. Is that Tita Kayla?
Good morning! I slept in your house. They didn't say good morning.
Naglilinis si Charmel. Nag-vacuum.
Is that all your gift just for Kaden?
Magbubukas siya ng mga regalo.
Can you have matching clothes with mommy? And me?
Si Kaiden ang tagal nagising. Alas 9. Hindi pa siya magigising lang kung hindi ko pa inano. Naggalaw-galaw doon. Yung naggalaw-galaw ko sa kama. Natulog ba naman siya? Mag-12 na. 12:09, di ba? 12 yun. 12 na natulog eh. Tatagal matulog ng mga kapatid ko rin eh. Anong oras ata sila? Laing, anong oras kayo tulog? 3? Alas 2?
Hindi, alauna tulog na ako dyan. May tulog ako. Lamig eh.
Kaya nga eh. Ang lamig nga paglabas ko lang eh. Oh, sipag naman ng kapatid ko dyan. Nilinis kami pagising. Okay na.
Eh, parang alam ko to.
Yan na.
Mga DVD na ka na. Hindi.
Hindi. Case ng ano niya. Hinintay ko si Joshua. Hinintay ko si Joshua kasi nga mag-open na kami.
Okay.
Lagay ko dito yung camera.
So, Tita Kayla pang...
Mag-open tayo ng ano, presents. Ng mga regalo, bibi ko eh.
Yes, may give her here, Josh.
Ah. Is Gary's here?
Still sleeping.
They're making me sleep. We don't have any spare rooms.
Is it ticket?
Ah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That makes sense.
O, bibi, dali na. Mag-open ka na.
No, wait. Wait, the theater. Is there enough room? Is that big enough for you? Huh?
Look, have a look.
Excited?
Ito kayo.
Sige.
Pares kayo ng ano. Cellphone mo.
Wala, ano puno na yung cellphone ko. Kay Charmel. Ay, kay Joshua.
Ano cellphone to? Tayo iPhone 17?
iPhone 16? 16.
Ah.
iPhone 16.
Closer. 1, 2...
What's that?
What? A candy machine for Kaden?
Wow! That's excited yung tita.
Where's the cat?
Wow!
Where's the candy go?
Wala pa. Mamaya. Go inside. Oh, ito pa. Babi, oh. Super lucky naman to.
Wow, what you gonna say
Mahirap
first?
yung ano.
Kaden. Thank you, Mommy, Daddy.
Babi, oh.
Ayan na yung malaki yan. Kaden, open.
Open.
Here we go.
What's that?
Oh no.
What is it?
What is it?
What is that?
What's that?
Ano yung logo yun? What is that?
Oh, there's one.
Oh, what?
Is that Nintendo Switch?
What?
Show, show.
Wow. Is that your dream gift?
Wait, ito.
What you gonna say? What you gonna say?
What you gonna say?
Hug
And daddy. Daddy, hug daddy.
Aww. That's for Kaden. Can I play with you? Can I play PUBG with you then?
Super laki naman. Okay.
Oh,
Oh, what's that?
What? A case for Nintendo Switch? Are you happy?
you get to play Mario Kart on it.
Oh. Hindi ata eh, di ba? Sa ano lang yun.
Open. What? A case? Ano yun pa Nintendo?
Wow! Hindi niya alam.
This is for you! What? Lumaki yung mata eh. Another one? Another case. What? For Nintendo Switch?
No, this one.
You like that one?
This one. It's a protector. It's a protector.
This one.
Oh.
Last one.
Last one.
Bless you. Yan, madali na mabuksan yan. Ano yun
Rip
naman?
mo kayo, rip it.
Just rip it, yeah. It is actually hard to do it.
What's that?
Oh,
Wow!
Another case.
that's a nice case.
Dinosaur!
What are you gonna say?
What you gonna say?
And daddy, yeah.
Oh, I wait.
Watch one right there.
Oh,
Oh, to Kaden.
ay, pwedeng pa rin pala. Ano?
Last one.
Last one.
A glass
Glass
protector.
protector. Wow!
Nintendo Switch.
One.
No, protective case.
Ah.
Oh, there's three case. Oh. Photos now.
Yeah, we have
What
three
else?
cases, eh?
Sit there. Sit here.
Sit, dali. Foto ka, dali. Kung regalo sa kanya.
Kaden.
Yeah.
Kaden.
Hindi ka makain.
Kaden. Shh. Smile. You happy with your gift? Now,
Merry Christmas!
pwede ito dalhin sa birthday.
Oo, dali namin yan. Ano namin, lagyan namin ng screen protector yung Nintendo Switch niya kasi gagamitin niya yun mamaya eh. Sigurado. Ay, nasa nadala niya na? Binihan ko na siya ng mga ganito eh. Ito siguro yung ilalagay ko sa kanya. Ang dinosaur. Tapos lalagyan ko ng screen protector.
Hold her now.
Ano to? Protective case. Protective case din to. Ang dami ko palang nabiling ano, case. Tara, lagyan natin ng screen protector. Lagyan natin ng screen protector.
Hey guys,
Chocolate.
my Nintendo Switch from my sister.
Daddy got chocolate.
Oh, super lucky!
Hindi ko na-vlog na naman.
Yung,
Ito.
ay, hindi ko nag-vlog lang. Sige.
Okay.
Ayan na.
We're gonna take a video for my vlog.
Dito ka, ilagay mo sa may gana. Unboxing daw ni Kyla yung ano,
Oo, tama na.
Switch ni Kay.
Ano, pinatay. Pinatay mo ulit.
Pinutin ulit, baby ko eh.
Kasi mo, hey guys, we're gonna unbox my Nintendo Switch. Yun.
Hi guys, I'm gonna talk about my Nintendo Switch.
Ready? Are you super excited? Like, can you jump because you're excited?
Yeah.
Douche, 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 douche.
Ano yun? Grabe.
Oh,
Go like this. Go like this. Like, super excited like this.
Layo mo naman.
Look.
Ay na, baby.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. The bells unlock their ring, they make our spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Nagpunta kami sa sa magulang niya naman. Doon kami papasko rin.
I knew someone would have a tantrum and play the. Yeah.
Yeah. Ha? Doon kami magpapasko sa tita niya pala, pero pupunta muna kami sa mama niya kasi yung magbibigay ng mga regalo. Tapos pagtapos nung diretso na kami sa tita niya. Magbili kami ng ng makas na open.
They'll be open. I think.
Yeah?
I don't know. Maybe. We're about to find out. They should be.
Hindi pa kasi kami kumakain ng breakfast. Kain muna kami ng namin, breakfast dito sa nag-park lang kami.
Look, open it inside. Look, I told you everyone
Ang favorite ko. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, Katie.
No, that's yours. Open it. Yeah.
Tag's on it.
No, it's the cardigan.
Oh, very good, though.
Alright, you keep going into it. Oh my
Wow.
Get it?
What do you say? What do you
And
Yeah, let's go, come on, we're in a hurry. Santa come to your house. Going, pull it out. Oh my gosh, there's a thing going on here. Don't look at it.
Look, dinosaur.
Dinosaur secret. What is that one? There you go, that one. That's for Captain Marvel. Oh, the dog.
What do you say? What do you say? What? Oh, open it. Open. Open it. What's that?
It's a dino. No way.
Wow.
Hey, there's one right here.
Wow, is that a dinosaur?
The dinosaur has been in the egg.
Oh, wow.
So lucky.
Relaxing.
And there's more in here. What's this?
Is that?
Well, that's what he wanted to show you. You might know it's there.
Are you happy? Okay, then.
Mints, yeah? What dinosaurs are Goes into a pond.
There's more.
There's more?
Yeah. There's more.
Oh, jeez. Crystal slime. Wow.
Can I see, baby? Oh, wow. Ulo, triceratops.
Oh, this one.
Nandito lang ako sa loob, nagbantay kay Kaden. Pero sila nasa labas. Kasi naglalaro sila ng billiard. Nandun din si Joshua. Dito muna ako. Init sa labas eh.
Oh my. That's a big King Kong.
Yan. Opo, malaki. Happy yan.
Chicken banana.
Eh, pag ganun.
Chicken winner. Hey, wow.
Chicken dinner, chicken winner.
Oh, turkey. Oh,
Ang
turkey.
cute ng Christmas tree niya. Oh. Parang gusto ko ganyan yung Christmas tree na lang. Maliit.
Where's me Bowser?
Mahaba.
Where's me Bowser go?
Medyo inaantok ako. Kasi nagising ako
I want
alas 6 ata. 6:40. Eh, natulog ako alas 2. Kaya parang inaantok ako. Ayoko lumabas doon. Parang gusto kong matulog. Aga ko nagising eh. Pumasok siya. Ang init daw sa labas.
You like this present, yeah?
Ito, dito lang yan. Kaya dito lang din ako.
my
Kakain na kami. Ano yung pagkain namin? Ah. Ang sarap. Si Joshua kumakain. Ah. Bebe, hi ka. Hi. Kain ikaw?
mommy.
Ha?
Oh, not this wait
Kain
first.
tayo.
I need to wait first, mommy.
Ha?
I said I need to wait.
Kain.
I don't think so.
No, it's all yours.
Kain nga muna kami.
Mommy.
Tapos na. Uwi na kami. Hi! Uwi na tayo. Nag-enjoy ikaw? Grabe ang busog ko. Sobrang dami nilang sweets. Hindi ko na na-video kasi nagkulit-kulit si Kaden. Nalobat kasi yung niya. Yung switch niya. Hindi na ako nakapag-video masyado. Bahay na kami. Dali ko. Dali ko eh. Dali ulitin, madali. Hindi, pull mo ata.
Look at me. Look at me.
Wow. Yan o. Sinetap ni Kayla yung tray niya.
Who set up it?
Tita Kayla. Say thank you to Tita Kayla.
King Kong's not here.
Umuwi na sila eh sa bahay nila.
Why your lighter?
Ay, nag-beach sila, Tita Kayla. Nagpuntang beach si Tita Kayla. Si Tito
Yeah,
Gap.
part mine.
Pinark mo yung mo? Tray mo?
Oh,